what I'm asking is make sure you come on Saturday, that's the first thing, and then learn from this weekend, because I've managed to get another past district director, Ian Pinker's coming up, and a jet, one I call a jet, she's an older lady, and Dawn Smith. Those two people alone in the room, trying to get those two collectively together is a nightmare, because they're in such high demand in lots of other places. And so listen to what they have to say and take that away. I'll do some other speaking as well, but the bottom line is make sure you're here. Masters is built on the foundation of every individual member. If you stop learning, then you should stop coming. If you stop learning, stop coming. And why is that important? Because what he's learning, I'm learning from him. Because we all mentor one another within the group, and we continue to learn. So, Madam Toastmaster, thanks for the opportunity to speak.